Oh.
Hey Henry,
Yo.
do you think it's possible to detail a whole car under $100?
Exterior?
Exterior only.
$100? Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
Let's go to the store.
Should we go try it?
Let's go to the store. So for anybody that does not know, Detail Garage took the globe by storm. It's a full store of pure detail garage. There's always building content, cars, everything. Hey Ryan, can you just lower down the music?
Hi Henry.
What's up?
What's your favorite glaze?
My favorite glaze is going to be wet mirror finish. Now, wet mirror finish not only is going to add an amazing shine, but this is for anybody that does have a dark color car. I have a dark color car. You wash it today, tomorrow it gets dusty, but wet mirror finish not only is going to add a glazing, dripping, wet look, but it's also going to achieve an anti-static look to your car. So anti-static and dust don't mix, so your car is actually going to stay cleaner for much longer, so it's going to reduce static. So pick this up today here at 3501 Sepulveda Boulevard in the beautiful city of Torrance. If you do come on by, Ryan, talk to Ryan and he'll hook you up with wet mirror finish. All right, guys, so now that we just finished up with the whole entire social media video, now it's time to get back to you guys. I only have $100 to spend in this entire store to wash the exterior of a car. Cart. All right, now let's go into a shopping spree. We need buckets, of course. Each bucket is $10. I will be doing the 2 bucket method. That's 20. 2 dirt traps, 10 and 10, 40, 2 different colors. So that's $40 spent. Next up, I do need a soap, $10, 50. It has wash and wax, so I will be getting a wash and a wax out of it. I need a towel. Speed Mammoth, 20. So wash, dry. Now, I do need a wash mitt because I need to scrub the car down. This is $9. $10. Top it off. Tire kicker. I have it. My camera guy's looking at me like, "You're doing your math right." $89. This is $10. So $99. So vinyl rubber plastic. That's under $100. All right, let's go wash this car. To the laboratory. All right, we have everything that we just bought from the Camera Guys flagship shine store. We're gonna start off with our dirt trap. Insert these bad boys at the bottom of our buckets. Next up, we have to set up our soap. So we have no foam cannon. This is just a detail on a budget. I'm opening it up because I didn't want to remove the seal. This is a detail on a budget. So this is for anybody that does have a white color car, dark color car, and you guys are on a budget. This is a perfect kit for you guys. If you guys do want us to bring this kit onto our website, drop a comment down below. Leave a thumbs up emoji. If you do, I'll pitch it to our e-com team and we'll drop this kit on our website. Detail on a budget with this kit. Anyways, guys, let's insert soap into our wash bucket. 1 ounce of soap into our wash bucket. We'll put this off to the side. We'll activate the suds. Get our wash mitt. What's next? It's so simple. It's a detail on a budget. All we need to do is rinse on the surface of the car, scrub it down. Let's get right into it. We'll get our water hose. Rinse the car down just to knock off any loose ground or debris. Make sure we get everything. Rinse it. But before I actually begin this detail, one thing we always recommend is take off jewelry or watches whenever you're detailing your car so you won't accidentally bang it up onto the paint. I will reactivate the suds. I will get my wash mitt. Get some suds on here. We'll go to the surface of the car and start scrubbing it. Now, everybody always asks us, do we have to do a 2 bucket method? The answer is yes. The wash mitt is dirty, it's filthy. I will come back, sink it at the bottom of my dirt trap, inspect it, go back, inspect it again. It's now clean. And if I do need to, I could reactivate my suds to get more suds and more lubrication. So I'll come back here, get more suds onto my wash mitt, and continue this entire wash throughout this whole entire car. Now, we always get a lot of comments on the section on our YouTube channels down below asking us, do I need power tools? Do I need XYZ to wash my car? And the answer is no. If you are on a budget, pick up this kit on our website right now, cameraguys.com. detail your car. Once you're done, tag us or let me know what kit we should bring to our website, whether it's a ceramic kit, wash kit, leather kit, interior kit. Let us know in the comment section down below and we will make it happen. So, I'm gonna get more suds, walk over to the car, scrub the surface of the car, but all of these suds that are going down on the panel are pure lubrication. The perfect thing about this kit is, not only is it going to allow me to bring out an amazing shine to this car, but it's also going to reduce scratches and swirls. Wash and Wax, the soap that I chose today during this video, is a great soap to have in your arsenal. Wash and Wax, not only is it going to wax your car and wash at the same time, but it's also going to bring out an amazing shine. So, just scrub it, get on the nooks and crannies. Come back to my rinse bucket.
Henry, what about the wheels?
So the wheels, what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to be throwing some soap on it and letting it sit on it because these wheels aren't so dirty. Now, if it was super dirty, one thing I might do is go ahead and substitute the quick detail spray for a wheel cleaner. All right, so we just finished scrubbing down the surface of the car. Now, this dirty washment is no longer going to be going on the surface of this paint. This washment is going to be designated for wheel cleaning. We'll get some soap. I will no longer put this washment on the paint. Now, I will go to the wheels and just scrub it out. And just like that, I'm cleaning my wheels on a budget as well. Take it out, wring it out, get my soap. Luckily, these wheels are not super filthy. If it was super filthy, then I might have to substitute a product or spend extra money. But in this occasion, I am on a budget. $100 is all I have to detail this car. So that's what we're doing. So we just finished doing that. Now it's time to rinse it down. So we will rinse down just the debris of the soap because we did scrub the whole entire car. Now, if you did have a foam cannon, foam blaster, obviously there'll still be suds everywhere, but we did not have a foam blaster or foam cannon because this is a detail on a budget. So just rinse on the surface of the car. You guys can still see there's soap coming out of the surface. It still looks white. That's because there's still suspended soap on the surface of the car, so we need to rinse it down. So just quickly rinse the surface of the car, the wheels, and everything else, just to get all the suspended soap off of the surface. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, so we rinsed the surfaces down. What's next? The washment is going to stay right here. My drying towel, I need it. So next up, it's time to dry the surface of this car. We will be using the Speed Mammoth. Whenever you do get a towel, just air it out. So there will be no creases, no crevices in your towel. You have a flat pile. Rip off the tag. Next product that I have is going to be Speed Wipe. Speed Wipe is not only going to help me enhance shine, but it's also going to enhance protection as well. So I'll spray that onto the surface of the car while it's wet. It also has anti-static properties to it, which is going to keep the car cleaner for much longer. I'll go to the surface. I will dry it. And one thing I want you guys to keep this in mind and throughout this whole entire video is you don't need $300, $400 to wash your car. Just check out the shine we're getting left behind. The shine is there, reflection, the surface is smooth, and we detailed this car on a budget. Now, there's no heavy amount of tools, there was no pressure washer that we used. It was strictly strategic products that you could be using on your car to enhance shine and protection. Spray some Speed Wipe, scrub it down, wipe. And just like that, we're drying and cleaning and enhancing shine to this car. Alright, so we just finished drying the surface of the car using the Speed Mammoth. Last but not least, we have our last product, which is going to be Tire Kicker. You cannot forget to dress your tires at any given time. Dress them fast and easy. And the reason why I went with a sprayable dressing is because I'm actually going to spray it directly onto the tires. Now, what you always want to do whenever you have sprayable dressing, spray away, make sure the spray is on, and lightly mist them throughout the whole entire tire. That's all I need. Now, I will let this sit. The tire will soak it in, and the shine will be there. Since I only had $100 to spend. And there you go. That's how simple and easy it is to detail your car on a budget. I will take care of the last 2 tires on that side, but you guys can see the transformation. The shine is there, reflection is there. Nonetheless, the budget is there. I actually had $1 to save, and I'm going to be using that $1 to buy a bubble gum, ice cream, who knows what, but I have $1 to spend. Anyways, guys, if you guys do like this video and you guys want to see this kit on our website right now, CamelGuys.com, drop a comment down below. Let us know. If you want to see it, let me know and we will make it happen. As always, if you guys do want to pick up this product on our website, go right now on our website on CamelGuys.com or stop by our local detail garage. We'll see you guys next time right here at the Camel Guys Detail Garage.
Waiting for sunshine.